Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of the Easy English for Beginners channel, the place where we make mastering English simple and enjoyable. I'm Anna.
And I'm Tom. It's fantastic to be back with you all today. I'm feeling really energized.
I can tell, Tom. You look refreshed today. Much better than the tired version of you we saw last time.
You're right. I finally caught up on my sleep and started the day with some green tea. It's been a great morning. How about you, Anna?
Doing wonderful, thanks. I've got my warm coffee, the sun is out, and it's a perfect day for a lesson.
I agree. And I'm curious, you mentioned we have a vital topic to cover today.
We do. We're discussing the very first step of any social interaction, how to introduce yourself.
Oh, introductions. That's a big one. Honestly, I still get a bit nervous when meeting new people. My heart starts racing.
That's completely normal, Tom. Think of an introduction like a key. It's the tool that unlocks doors to new friendships, networking, or even a new career.
I like that analogy. A key to a new door.
Exactly. But before we hand over that key, we have a quick favor to ask our listeners.
Right. If you enjoy our conversations, please hit that like button. It really helps our channel reach more students.
And don't forget to subscribe to Easy English for Beginners channel. We want to keep creating these podcasts for you, and your support helps us grow. Plus, share this with a friend who is practicing their English.
Okay, Anna, I'm ready. Shoulders back, big smile, let's go.
Perfect. You actually just nailed the first tip. Just like we mentioned in our confidence episode, body language and a smile are just as important as the words you say.
So I approach someone, smile, and say hello. What's the next move?
State your name. But there are a few ways to do it. You usually say, I am Tom, right?
Yes. Is that okay?
It's perfect. I am Tom is natural and friendly. My name is Tom is also great, but it feels slightly more formal.
So my name is for a business meeting with a boss, and I am for a party?
Precisely. Also, if you have a nickname, this is the time to share it. For example, my name is Thomas, but please call me Tom. It makes the conversation feel more relaxed instantly.
That's helpful. Next, I usually tell people I am from Brazil.
That's a classic. You can also get more specific by mentioning your city. For instance, I'm from Brazil, specifically a city called Sao Paulo.
What if I moved? I'm from Brazil, but I live in London now.
Even better, saying, I'm from Brazil, but I'm living in London now, tells a little story. It gives the other person a reason to ask, oh, how do you like London? It keeps the conversation flowing.
So we have the name and the location. Do I talk about my job next?
Yes, you can say, I am a teacher or I am a student. If you aren't working, you can mention your interests, like, I'm currently looking for a role in marketing.
But don't people find work talk a bit boring sometimes?
Great point. Here is a pro tip. Share a hobby.
Like my love for cycling?
Exactly. I'm Tom, I'm a teacher, and I love riding my bicycle. It makes you more memorable, like how everyone knows me as the girl who loves coffee. It gives people a way to connect with you.
Name, origin, job, and a hobby. Got it. Is that everything?
Not quite. A conversation is like a game of tennis. You can't just keep the ball, you have to hit it back. You must ask them a question.
Ah, so I should say, and you, or how about you?
Perfect. It shows you are interested in them too.
Does this change if I'm at a party versus an office?
The energy changes. At a party, you can mention how you know the host. Like, hi, I'm Anna, I'm a friend of Maria's. It creates an immediate connection.
And what about the time of day?
Using good morning or good evening makes you sound very polite. Just remember, good night is for leaving or going to bed. If you arrive at 8 p.m., always say good evening. Let's do a quick role play. Imagine we are at a cafe.
I'm ready. I'm sitting here with my coffee. Hello, is this seat taken?
No, go ahead and sit down.
Thanks. I'm Tom, by the way. I'm just waiting for my tea.
Nice to meet you, Tom. I'm Anna. Do you live nearby?
Actually, no. I'm from Brazil, but I'm visiting a friend here. How about you?
I live just down the street. I'm a podcast host. What do you do?
I'm a teacher, and in my free time, I'm a big cycling fan.
End scene. That was flawless, Tom. You used every tip we discussed.
It felt so much more natural when I had a plan in my head.
Remember, you don't have to be the loudest person in the room to give a great introduction. Whether you're extroverted or quiet, a simple, friendly, "Hello, I'm new here" is enough.
And if I don't understand a question,
Don't panic. Just ask, "Could you repeat that?" People are generally very kind to those learning a new language.
it takes bravery to speak, and I'm proud of everyone listening.
Me too. So let's recap. Smile, name, origin, job or hobby, and ask a question.
You're ready. Now we want to hear from you. Can you introduce yourself in the comments? Tell us your name, where you're from, and one thing you love.
We can't wait to read them. Thank you for joining us today on Easy English for Beginners channel.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye.